optimum population. So the debate is there a number that we can move towards or not? Okay, कोई ऐसा magic number है, ऐसा कोई magic size है, okay, which can be our objective in terms of population size. So this theory says, yes, there is such best possible number, okay, that can assure the best development. Okay, वो number क्या है? We'll come back afterwards on that. एक possible है. And in this debate, the idea is that if you are on the lesser population side, तब भी खराब है. You're on the higher side, तब भी खराब है. So there is one number, okay, which is the optimum population, which will give you the maximum, okay, development. This is the maximum development. And remember, when Dalton was telling us, and when Cannon, okay, they talked in terms of development as economic concept, development in terms of GDP size, development in terms of per capita income. ये part लिख लो, ये नहीं लिखा है अगर. So when the theory was given, okay, the best development or maximum development, the maximum development was defined in terms of an economic concept. Development was defined in terms of the GDP size, in terms of per capita income, in terms of GDP size and in terms of per capita income. Assuming that GDP size and per capita income automatically will lead to higher quality of life. ये assumption था. Now we know कोई जरूरी नहीं है. I can have countries that are rich but poor quality of life. Countries that are not rich but good quality of life. Best example is Bhutan. Okay, not as high in GDP size and per capita, but good quality of life. Good security, good environment, good water. Okay, no hunger problems. So quality of life is a much broad concept. Quality of life, okay, is a very expensive concept. Okay? So in terms of GDP size, in terms of per capita income, so ये जो maximum development है, the maximum development according to Dalton and Cannon were economic concepts.